What's the meaning of cashier? Cashier. Cashier.
Cashier. Cashier. A cashier is an employee who is responsible for handling financial transactions in a business setting. They typically work at cash registers, collecting payments and giving change to customers. Cashiers also verify the accuracy of transaction amounts and may be required to balance their cash drawers at the end of each shift. In addition to processing transactions, cashiers are often the first point of contact for customers, so they must be friendly and helpful. Overall, the role of a cashier is essential in facilitating smooth and accurate financial operations within a business.